girlies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Zeelool try on haul. Zeelool is a company that sells prescription glasses, non-prescription, and sunglasses. Y'all, I was super excited when my package arrived, and this is how the package looks. At the end of the video, I will be providing you all with a 10% discount code because everyone loves to save money. Also, they sent me 7 pair of glasses and I was able to choose one of them. Open up the package, it has a little tab right here that looks like a zipper, and you just pull it out like this. And see how easy that was to open? This is how it looks in the inside. Came with 7 cleaning cloths because some people like dirtying up their glasses. So these will come in handy when you clean out fingerprints. It also came with a card with the contact information. And when I turn it around, it came with a $7 coupon code. Lastly, it also came with a PD ruler. I love that each pair of glasses come with a pouch instead of a case, because every time I receive glasses with a case, I always throw the case away, and this is perfect for traveling and easy to keep up with. And the name of these cool frame is called Benitez. I'm not sure if I'm saying the name correctly. And this is a large cat eye frame, and the glasses are Taurus, and at the bottom it's a blue color. I can't wait to try these glasses on. It's gonna be so stylish. This is how the frames look on me. It's giving a fun, classy look, and it's like I'm at the office. I will rate these frames at 8 out of 10. And the next pair of glasses is called Brewer, and it's kind of giving to me a cheetah print. Again, it's a large cat eye, and this is how it looks in the back. It has the gold and black detailing. Girl, I really like how these look on me. It's giving school teacher vibes. Let me turn so you can see. Ooh, I look so cute in these frames. On a scale out of 1 out of 10, I give these frames a 9. And the next pair of glasses is part of the Pearl collection. And these glasses look so elegant without me trying them on. And just look at the detailing. It's so cute. I cannot wait to try these on. These glasses are so adorable. And this glasses also matches my shirt. It's so cute. Let me turn. On a scale out of 1 out of 10, I give these frames a 9. I'm so loving these frames, and I cannot wait to wear these glasses when I go on my dinner date today. I'm gonna be so cute. And the next pair of glasses is also part of the Pearl collection. I'm just loving the color. It's a lavender color. It's perfect for the summer. And this is how it looks up close. And in the back is a solid purple color. I cannot wait to try these on. It's gonna be a fun look, I can tell. When I have these glasses on, these glasses are perfect for someone with a outspoken or bold personality. And this is how the glasses look on me. I just love the color. It's a fun color for me to wear when I'm wearing a fun color outfit or something, or going out with the girls. On a scale out of 1 out of 10, I give these a 9. I cannot wait to wear these out. And the next pair of glasses is called Alberta, and everyone is wearing clear glasses. It's trending right now, and this is how the back looks, and it has a gold stud on each corner. I cannot wait to try this pair on. Oh, I'm so loving Alberta. She is super sexy on me. Let me turn her around. Yes. Yes, honey. These are a 10 already. And I cannot wait to wear this at the beach. And it'll go with all my swimsuit and dresses that I'm going to wear at the beach. I cannot wait to wear her next week. And this is the next pair. It's called K-Ton. And I picked this glasses. This is how it looks without me trying them on. And this is the back. Y'all, I cannot wait to try these on. These glasses, when I was looking online, remind me of the Tom Ford glasses. This is how the frames look on me. Yes, I'm just loving it. It's giving designer, expensive, giving all of the above. You can wear these every day. On a scale of 1 out of 10, I give it a 10. I recommend these, and I'm going to turn around so you can see it. Yes, I'm just loving these glasses. Y'all need to order K-Ton and get these because these are so cute. The last pair of glasses is called Brandon. And these glasses remind me of gray countertop. These are cool. And these glasses on me remind me of a attention seeker, a go-getter, and you want all eyes on you. And you will have everyone looking at you. And this is how it looks. I'm going to turn. On a scale of 1 out of 10, I give these glasses a 10. And these glasses you can wear every day. And I'm just loving how it's look. It's awkward. I want to pick something like this. But when I tried them on, I was like, hey, these are super duper cute. All the glasses that I try on for the haul are suitable for all face, shape, and sizes. But the pair that I'm wearing is my favorite. And I advise everyone to run and grab you a pair because these glasses are giving luxury and designer. These glasses remind me of the Tom Ford glasses, which are super expensive, but all glasses on Zeelool are affordable. And also, if you would like to save money, use my discount code Curvykie to save 10% off your order. And let me know in the comment box which pair of glasses were your favorite. And I hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed the haul. And I hope you have a nice day.